Here is Chicago Midway International Airport.
May I have your attention, please? For security reasons, please keep your baggage and personal items with you at all times. Unattended baggage will be removed by the Chicago Police Department.
There's another one right there.